Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on scheduling posts in WordPress for 2025. In this guide, you will learn how to set up your blog post to be published automatically at a later date using WordPress's built-in scheduling features. Begin by navigating to the WordPress homepage in your web browser. Once you have arrived at the site, locate the login option at the top right corner of the page and click it to proceed to the login screen. After clicking the login option, you will be presented with an invitation to choose your preferred login method. Select the option that allows you to continue with your Google account. When you click on Continue with Google, a list of available Google accounts on your device will appear. Choose the account that you use for your WordPress site. Using your Google account for sign-in adds a layer of convenience and security that many bloggers appreciate. Once you have successfully logged in, your next destination is the section where you manage your blog posts. Navigate to the Posts Management area by clicking on the Posts menu. This section is where you can view, edit, and create new posts, offering you a clear overview of your blog's content. To start the process of scheduling a new blog post, locate and click the option labeled Add Post. In doing so, you enter the interface where you compose and configure your new blog entry. When you are ready to finalize the post settings, shift your focus to the right side settings panel within the Add Post interface. Here you will see a Publish area that controls when and how your content will appear on your site. Click on the Publish section to open a drop-down of options. By default, posts are usually set to publish immediately, but the scheduling feature allows you to break from this default setting. Within the Publish panel, find the link that says Immediately. Clicking on this link will bring up options to modify the scheduled time. Now you have the opportunity to set the specific date and time when you want your post to be published. Carefully select your desired publication date from the calendar input and adjust the time accordingly. It is important to ensure that you have chosen the correct time zone for your audience to ensure that your content is published at the right moment. With your date and time set, confirm your intention to schedule the post by locating the schedule button at the top right corner of the interface and clicking it. This final action secures your settings, effectively scheduling your blog post to be published automatically at the specified time. Once scheduled, you can proceed to organize any additional posts, confident that your site will remain updated automatically. This method simplifies content management and enables you to maintain a consistent posting schedule without having to manually publish entries. Following these steps ensures that your WordPress blog stays active even when you are not available to post manually, giving you more time to focus on creating great content. Enjoy the seamless scheduling process and happy blogging.